Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix slow charging on Samsung Galaxy A57. To fix slow charging issues on your smartphone, you're gonna have to first make sure that the fast charging itself is enabled in your device's settings. Swipe down the control center, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Here in settings you're gonna have to find battery and open the battery settings. Then go to charging settings from here and enable fast charging by switching the toggle on. And after that we're gonna have to check our charging brick and charging cable. So just inspect your charging cable for any visible damages and make sure that it supports power delivery. Generally speaking, just use the original one if you have it. But if you do not have an original charging brick, you can still check yours, and most importantly check the watts amount of it. So for example, I have one right here, and if you take a closer look, it says 20 watts, and 20 watts will not deliver the full charging potential to our smartphone, since our device is being rapidly charged with an original Samsung 45 watts charger. So yeah, the only solution in this case, if your watt amount is less than 45, or if your charging brick simply doesn't support fast charging technology, then you simply have to replace it, preferably with an original one, so you don't get disappointed twice. And also, yeah, as I said, check your charging cable, make sure that it supports power delivery, and make sure that it can deliver you those 45 watts. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.